Pain in the lower back is common and it sucks, especially for us guys that are in the gym. Just to clarify, the pain that we're talking about is lower back pain. It's right at the bottom of your back, and it's something I used to deal with personally for years, and it's something that I've fixed and I haven't dealt with for the last few years, so I think I'm qualified to help you guys out. So the first thing we need to do is identify the pain. So what I want you guys to do is if you just bend over slightly, just like this, and then you feel in your lower back, right at your lower back, right down there, you'll feel two bones. If you feel with your thumbs, just have your hands like this, and you'll feel with your thumbs, and you'll feel two bones. It's those bones right there that are causing the problem. That is where you're experiencing pain. If you go either side of those bones, where the love handles are, you may even experience pain even more. You may even feel a shooting pain that goes down into your glutes. That can happen. That's the type of pain we're talking about. This kind of lower back pain is aggravating. It's there all the time. It ruins your day in, day out. It ruins your workouts in the gym. You can't squat. You feel worse in the gym. You can't do certain exercises, and it just ruins your day-to-day life. So let's fix it. There are two main exercises that I would recommend for this kind of pain, and it's exactly what I used to eliminate the pain so that I don't experience this anymore. So the first one is the floor bridge. There's an image on screen right now of what this looks like. So you'll have your feet planted on the floor, you're flat on your back, and then you're going to be pushing your hips up. Now when you're flat on your back, you'll have a natural arch in the lower back. I want you to flatten that arch so that you are flat to the floor. There should be no arch in your back when you do this movement. Then when you do use your hips to push up, you should squeeze your glutes at the top of the movement, really squeeze those glutes, and then bring them back down slowly and up again very slowly. It's not about speed, it's about slowing this down and making sure that you can really feel the glutes, and strengthening those glutes is going to solve a lot of the problem here. I would recommend you do this around 12 times, and do this 1 to 2 times a day. Maybe you do this in the morning before school or work, and maybe you do this again at night before bed. It's really going to help you strengthen those glutes. Now this second exercise for me is what really gives you that instant relief, and you will feel after doing this that instant relief, and I think this is the exercise that really solved the problem for me personally. Now I do want to give credit where credit is due. There's a physical therapist on YouTube called Jeff Cavalier. Most of you know this guy, he's massive in the fitness industry, but I'm going to let him very quickly show you how to do this exercise, because he's the one that I learned this exercise from. I'm not a physical therapist. He is the person that I learned this exercise from. So let's watch him do the exercise, and then I'll talk about it a little more.
So you take your finger and you put it, your thumb, you put it right up on that spot, okay? So once your finger is on that spot, you're gonna take your leg through the same direction right here. You're gonna come down until your knee touches the ground, okay? Once it touches the ground, it's gonna kick back behind you into extension. And then when you do, you're gonna lift up. So then the thumb pushes and holds this back. Now I don't have to do any of this.
So that's your second exercise, and let's give credit once again to Jeff, because that is where the information came from. But what I want to remind you guys is make sure you do this on both sides, and then once again do as many of these reps as you can. It is difficult, it's a very difficult exercise to do. Some of you, especially if you're overweight, might struggle with this one. But once again, in the morning, at night time, at least once per day, do this exercise. It's going to give you that instant relief that you need, and it's going to fix your body in the long term. It's going to really engage the glutes, much like the first exercise does as well. The area that I am personally an expert in is teaching you how to build muscle and how to lose body fat, how to get a better physique. I don't believe there's many people on the planet that can teach you to do that better than me. I've never failed to get results for anyone, and that is why I like to incorporate other coaches and other people into these kinds of videos, because my skill set is good in this area, but I am not a physical therapist. I'm not going to pretend to you guys that I can do everything, that I'm a physical therapist. That is not where I specialise, so I like to bring other people in. But what I would say, and what I'm shocked about when I was doing some research for this video, which normally I don't really research for videos, I don't need to, unless I'm reading a study, a meta-analysis, a peer review, something like that that really requires some reading, I don't need to do research for my videos. However, what I found with this video was one of the most basic, simple things that you can do to eliminate this back pain. And one of the reasons you probably experienced this pain in the first place, I found this information not to be in any other video. And that is, fix the way that you actually bend down. We always bend down every day. We drop something on the floor, we have to bend down and pick that up, and we are so lazy. And this is what caused my back pain in the first place, because you just bend down, you bend from your back, And that pressure on the back, more and more and more, is what's causing the problem. What you really need to learn to do is to really squat when you bend down to pick something up. Use your hips, use your knees. Learn how to actually bend down and don't get lazy with this. And it's exactly the same with your exercise. Deadlifts, squats, picking heavy dumbbells up, things like that. They're all good exercises and things that we should be doing, but you need to learn how to do them correctly. And most people are not using correct form when they're doing deadlifts and squats. If you want to put loads of heavy weight on your back and do an exercise incorrectly, you are going to injure yourself. And these exercises in this video are not going to save you from bad form. If you notice the video that's on screen right now, it's when you should actually change your workouts. Exercise rotation is very important, and it's also very important for injury prevention as well. Preventing injury, a lot of times if you just change your exercises, you prevent injury. So go through and click on that video. I really recommend you watch that.